Are you a student looking for some extra cash but don't have time for a full-time job? Have you ever wondered how you can turn your free time into money? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into 10 side hustles that students can start without any expensive investments. And all the ideas mentioned in this video will be linked below. So, let's get started. One of the most popular and fun side hustles is reselling vintage clothing. Thrift stores are gold mines for unique fashion items, and platforms like Depop and Etsy are perfect for selling them. Imagine finding a rare vintage denim jacket for $10 at a thrift store and selling it for $50 on Depop. That's a $40 profit for just one item. If you're creative and have a knack for graphic design, you can create unique designs and sell them on merchandise. Platforms like Redbubble and Teespring make it easy to upload your designs and sell them on various products like t-shirts, mugs, and stickers. Create a trendy design, upload it on Redbubble, and every time someone buys a product with your design, you earn a commission. Are you an organized student with great class notes? Many students struggle to keep up with their coursework and would pay for well-organized notes. Platforms like Stuvia and Doxity are perfect for selling your class notes. Sell your well-detailed history notes on Stuvia and earn money every time someone purchases them. Did you know you can get paid to listen to music? Platforms like Slice the Pie pay you to review new music tracks, giving feedback to artists and record labels. Spend an hour listening to new music and writing reviews on Slice the Pie and earn some extra cash while discovering new artists. If you enjoy writing and have a passion for a particular topic, starting a blog can be a lucrative side hustle. Monetize your blog through ads or affiliate marketing. Platforms like WordPress and Substack make it easy to get started. Start a food blog by writing engaging content, and use affiliate links to earn money from product recommendations. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn commissions by promoting products. You can do this through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates to get started, create a YouTube channel reviewing tech gadgets, and include affiliate links in your descriptions. Earn a commission every time someone buys a product through your link. If you have a talent for writing, freelance writing can be a flexible and rewarding side hustle. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients looking for writers. Write articles for a travel blog on Upwork and get paid per article. This can help you build a portfolio and gain experience. Are you excelling in a particular subject? Tutoring can be a great way to share your knowledge and earn money. Platforms like Wyzant and Chegg Tutors make it easy to connect with students who need help. Offer math tutoring services through Wyzant and earn money by helping other students understand difficult concepts. Many small businesses need help managing their social media accounts. If you're savvy with social media, you can offer your services as a social media manager. Use tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule posts and manage multiple accounts. Manage the social media account for a local coffee shop by creating engaging posts and use Hootsuite to schedule them. You can earn money while gaining experience in digital marketing. If you love animals, pet sitting or dog walking can be a fun and rewarding side hustle. Platforms like Rover and Wag connect you with pet owners who need your help. Sign up on Rover, get hired to walk dogs in your neighborhood, and enjoy spending time with furry friends while earning money. There you have it, 10 side hustles that students can start today. Each of these ideas offers flexibility and the opportunity to earn extra income without interfering with your studies. Whether you're reselling vintage clothes, selling your designs, or offering tutoring services, there's something here for everyone. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on making money online. Share your side hustle experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.